For most models that we work with, the default SOLIDWORKS gray color is going to work perfectly fine for the inactive sketches in our models. Sometimes there is a need to change that. Maybe we need to highlight a specific sketch to draw a coworker's attention to it, or maybe we just need better sketch visibility on a part that has a very similar gray color. People know that you can globally change the color of a SOLIDWORKS sketch by going into our SOLIDWORKS system options, navigating to colors, and we can find all of our options for changing the different types of sketches in our model. Keep in mind that a change here is going to apply that color to every sketch in our parts, assemblies, and drawings across our entire system, so it's going to affect everything. However, sometimes a user only needs to change the color of a very specific sketch and doesn't want other models affected by that change. This is really easy to do. We can right-click on the sketch that we want to change the color. Then in this right-click menu, there's a sketch color option. And then pick the perfect color to accentuate the sketch in our model. The color we're setting here is only affecting the sketch that we selected. If we need to change the color of more than one sketch, it's really easy to do. We're able to select multiple sketches, do that same right click, go to sketch color, and change the color of multiple sketches at one time. With SOLIDWORKS, we have a lot of control not only over how our model's actually built, but how it's displayed on screen.